Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use LendEngine to manage repairs for items that are owned by your community. Maybe you're running a repair cafe. In other videos I show you how to manage repairs and maintenance for library items, which is what you can see on screen here. Okay, so to separate library item repairs from community repairs, I'm going to create a new maintenance type, and we'll do that in settings. So settings, and then under repair modules we've got maintenance types. And there's one here that I created earlier called repair cafe, and let's just change that repair cafe job. So if you're repairing library items, you start with the item, and clearly if we're repairing a community member's item, we don't have the item in LendEngine, and we never need to. We can just create the repair. So one way to create the repair is just simply via a form on the website, and the link to that form is here, and that creates a new repair cafe job. However, that's not the only way. We can also add a button to our website, and if we go down to repair module settings, we can choose repair cafe job here, and then that puts a button on the website to create a new create a new repair. So let's go to members site, and at the bottom, new repair. Pretty straightforward there. So because I'm admin, I'm creating this on behalf of demo member. I can actually change contact here, or even create a new contact. So this is a very simple form that could be perhaps on a tablet at the front of your repair cafe, or a spare laptop with somebody handling it. Alternatively, if we go and we change the member, so instead of browsing as this person, we browse as someone else, well, next time we go to the form is creating the repair for that person. And let's say we've got some trousers, can't type this morning, trousers which have come in with ripped pocket. I've created a custom field on this form, which is repair cafe location. And you can create loads of custom fields, and I'll show you those in detail in a separate video. Submitting that form creates a new repair. It's been given an ID. You probably want to write that on the item if you're at a repair cafe, and it explains what the problem is and where this repair came from. If you like to run on paper, then you can print out this repair, stick it on the item, and then move everything back onto the computer after the repair cafe. So we've got various things on here, and we can add the custom fields too. Let's go and have a look at this repair in admin. So this looks just like a standard item repair for a library item, apart from the fact that we've got the item name and it's for a specific member. All the usual fields are available. Custom fields are in here. You can see what else is what else is being repaired for this member. So that's quite a handy thing to look at. And to find them in the repairs list, because they're not assigned to a site, we're a single site library here, we just have to show everything from all sites, and we've got our two repair cafe jobs here. Alternatively, we filter by type repair cafe job, and that just shows the repair cafe jobs. So that's a pretty simple way of managing repairs. Let's drop into one of these repairs that's in progress, and you can either save it as complete there, or if you're having to hold this separately for a member and repair it out of hours, you could actually change the status here, update to on hold, and reply to the customer, email the note saying your item is ready to collect. Then what I'd probably want to do is set the hold reason for awaiting customer reply. These are custom fields, remember, you can choose what you want in there. Super, so that's an overview of repairing community-owned items.